Good afternoon. Here's a video of our finished fireplace that we're doing on our project in Arlington Heights. This is a refurbishment of a brick fireplace that was here previously. So this has a raised hearth, as you can see. It has a rock face finish on the hearth. It has a stone detail and a coin stone over the fireplace box. We have the keystone right there as well, and it has, if you look on top there, it has a roll lock all the way across there, sticking out about 1.5 inches to trim out the top. Here was our inspiration photo that we drew on the wall for our mason to follow. As you can see, the base, the heart of the fireplace is 6 feet wide at the bottom, and we curved in the walls on the left and right, so the top would be 4.5 feet on top when we're all said and done. As you can see, we're going to have a mantle here approximately about 4.5 feet. At least that's the intention right now. That's going to be reclaimed timber that we're going to pick up here in another week or two. We're going to place it on top of these keystones here, on top of these stone pieces here. And that wood that we have there is for anchoring it into place. And fireplace looks great. Our mason started on this yesterday, and he got it finished earlier this morning. So it looks really, really good. So we're really happy with it, and happy how it turned out. So thanks for watching our video, and check back with us again soon on our progress in this project. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everybody.